Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ginseng loops. This ancient technique transforms raw ginseng root into a more potent and convenient form. We will go through each step, from choosing the best roots to the final drying process. You will learn how to prepare the root, carefully shape it into loops, and ensure it is properly preserved for long-term use. Get ready to master this rewarding craft. To begin, gather your essential materials. Select fresh, mature ginseng roots, ideally 6 to 8 inches in length and about 1 inch in diameter for optimal looping. You will also need a very sharp knife, a sturdy cutting board, and a clean, soft cloth. Finally, prepare a steaming apparatus, like a bamboo steamer basket over a pot of boiling water, which is crucial for the initial softening process. Now, let's move on to shaping the loops. First, steam your prepared ginseng roots for 20 to 30 minutes until they become soft and flexible. Once steamed, carefully slice each root lengthwise into thin strips, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch in thickness. Then, gently bend each strip into a circular loop, securing the ends with a small toothpick or a piece of string to hold its shape during drying. For the final step, drying and storage are key. Place your formed ginseng loops in a well-ventilated area, ensuring they are not exposed to direct sunlight. This drying process can take anywhere from several days to 1 week, depending on your local humidity levels. Once completely dry and firm, store your beautiful ginseng loops in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain their quality and potency for many months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.